If you have a keen interest in beauty therapy, Coleg Gwent is a great place to study. We have a vast range of full and part-time courses giving you options to study flexibly. Our courses cover the basics through to advanced beauty treatments such as manicures, skincare, retailing and many more. You'll enhance your technical skills and develop an in-depth knowledge around specialisms preparing you for a career as a fully qualified beauty therapist. You'll learn through theory, practical workshops, demonstrations and work placement. We also have commercial salons on campus where you'll gain valuable client-facing experience in industry-standard settings. Coleg Gwent is also part of World Skills UK Centre of Excellence programme, so you'll be supported and encouraged to compete amongst the best in national skills competitions. Never underestimate the power of a good beauty therapist. Make people feel great or step out of the salon and into a career in beauty consultancy or sales. Find out more about beauty therapy courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.